Hey guys, welcome back for a new video. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for choosing to watch this video. And I would love if you would subscribe, comment, share this video with your friends. Today I am in the kitchen of our new apartment, and if you watched my TJ Maxx haul, you know that I bought bins to go ahead and organize our refrigerator here. So I'm super excited to be doing that today. I'm gonna give you guys a quick before shot of our refrigerator, and then I'll jump right into it. Here's the refrigerator situation right now. There's quite a bit of things in here, but we haven't been here too long, so not too much should be expired. And this is the situation on the door. We do have a good amount of condiments, etc. So I'm like really excited to be organizing this today. I'm going to start by taking everything out of the refrigerator, and then I'll go ahead and determine how I want to organize the bins that are going to go in here. So yeah, time to get everything out. Okay, so I have everything all wiped out in the refrigerator. It's nice and clean. And now I'm gonna go ahead and get those bins that I bought and figure out how I want to arrange them in the refrigerator, and then we'll go from there. All right, I am all done, and I'm going to reveal this for you guys. This took quite a while. I even like washed all of our produce. Let me show you guys what. I picked up this fruit and vegetable wash from Trader Joe's. So I went ahead and washed all of our fruit, grapes, cherries, blueberries, so that we could just grab it and eat it, and it's really convenient. But I'm super happy with how everything turned out. Let me show you guys. And here is the finished product. So over here we have all of our dairy items. And this is the egg container. Right now it just has one lonely egg in there. And here we have our egg whites and some almond milk. This is kale. I got this container from TJ Maxx as well. It just kind of keeps the produce fresh longer. Here is where I have all of our washed fruit. So this is blueberries, cherries, and grapes back there. All washed, ready to go, so we can just grab and eat when we want to. This is all of our alkaline water. Here we have condiments. I just prefer them in this bin as opposed to on the door. This is all of our vegetables. So we have broccoli, green beans, asparagus, onion, cilantro. All of that is in here. And then here we have some juices and some creamer in the back. Moving on to the door, we just have some nectarines here. And then fresh peeled garlic, mayonnaise is the only condiment that couldn't fit in this container here. Have some corn, I'm getting ready to make that today. And then butter, of course, where the butter always goes. So yeah, I'm super happy with how everything turned out. I can see exactly what I have. It'll be easy to make grocery list. Oh, I forgot to mention that in this drawer is where I put all of our meats. So I have our turkey bacon, hot dogs, and turkey lunch meat in there. Way more organized, way easier to tell exactly what I have in here, and I am super happy with the outcome. I don't have anything in these drawers or anything on the doors here and down there, so I have tons of space if I need to bring in anything else. If you're still here, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you join my community. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.